Hi, I'm TrekHer Wilson, and I believe nature can help you to slow down, to reconnect, to create lasting memories. That's what we did on our hike to the Aletsch Glacier, the largest glacier in Europe. With two young kids, 7 and 5 years old, the 1.5 kilometer trail from the last gondola to the lookout was a really amazing hike. But it wasn't without its challenges. The rocky terrain, the elevation, and well, the kids just being kids meant it wasn't all smooth sailing. We had an incredible time, but we definitely had to work for it. If you're planning a hike with your own little adventurers, particularly a high elevation and rocky terrain, stick around because I've got 5 simple tips to make this hike easy, fun, and unforgettable for the whole family. I have a fun little exercise for you at the end that's sure to bring a smile to your day. Tip 1. If you've ever hiked with kids, and I'm guessing you have since you're still here, I know how frustrating it is to stop every 5 minutes so they can grab a sip of water. Here's our solution. Give each kid their own small backpack with a water bladder and drinking hose. This setup lets them take tiny sips whenever they want. Great for avoiding those big gulps that can upset their stomachs. Plus, it makes them feel super independent, like they're in charge of their own survival. Whatever feels comfortable. Okay. Tip number 2, safety first, especially for young kids. This particular trail has some loose rocks and uneven sections. For our 5-year-old, we added a long lanyard to his backpack. It gave him the freedom to explore, but let us lend a hand if he needed it. He was feeling a little uneasy on the trail since it was one of the more exposed trails he's ever been on, but the connection to Daddy made him feel much safer.
Hey, you go up first and I pull on you.
Okay.
So I don't fall. I'll put all my weight on the feet. Put some on the hands.
One of the coolest surprises on this trail were the painted rocks. The kids were so excited to find them. These cute little things were left by the group CH Rocks, and they add a scavenger hunt vibe to your hike. It also encouraged them to find other things along the way, like this T-Rex head my son found.
And it looks like a bus or a T-Rex neck and head. Look like there's the eye. And there's the mouth. And yeah.
Tip 4, pack snacks and make the most of them. This short hike gives you plenty of opportunities to pause, recharge, and soak in the views. Snack time becomes the perfect moment to slow down, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and just enjoy the trek. Before I share the last tip, if nature's your thing, hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more adventures, tips, and tricks coming your way. Here's the little exercise I promised, so get comfortable and get ready. As you view this beautiful glacier through your screen, I invite you to sit still for a moment. Imagine the cool mountain air on your face, as if you were here with us. Listen to the subtle sounds, the distant whistle of the wind, the crunch of rocks beneath your feet, maybe even the silence of the glacier itself. Let your gaze rest on its ancient, frozen expanse and notice how it flows through the valley carved by time. Invite your kids to join in. Ask them what they notice, the colors, the textures, the feelings this place brings up in them. Help them understand that something like this isn't just a photo opportunity. It's a chance to really slow down, and connect with something much bigger than ourselves. Let this moment be about more than the hike. Let it be about presence. Thanks again for joining us. If you know someone who hikes with little kids, share this with them. They'll be so glad you did. 21 days, 5 breathtaking locations, and countless memories. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing all the details, the insights, the experiences, the beautiful scenery, plus tips on camping, hiking, and finding peace in nature. If this resonates with you, subscribe to my channel. I'm excited to share more with you.